Let me introduce myself and see how I can explain you how you can save some money. So, I came here 16 years ago. I think very inspirational stories. Everybody was really great and amazing. Very good vibe here, especially Chantal was really amazing. So, I came here 16 years ago, and then as soon as right off the bat, I started joining a company where they do taxes. So I learned the taxes and how these things work. Even though it's new to Canada, and then we learned how this was. I'm originally from Sri Lanka, so we learned these things and then see how people are doing taxes. Then we learned, and then was really we can help a lot of people on the taxes side of the thing. So then I started in my own company, which is called BTS Accounting and Tax Servicing. Couple of reasons. We wanted to do a personal services to the client. So that's the main reason we just, because if you go to the big companies where they do taxes, if you look at it, they just get the papers and just plug in the numbers and give you the results. Really, you don't have any connections with the people. You don't know about the stories about them. Like you can't really feel how they're feeling about these things. So I just started, let me introduce myself, the company, and then maybe we can serve a lot of people. So this company started like that, and then it's grown up like 12 years. This is the 12th tax season we're going to do it this year. So I grow my team, which is about 12 people in my team, and then so we are just working in this thing. So why we wanted to do it? So a lot of people, if you look at it, a lot of people pay more than a million people pay like more than they're supposed to pay taxes. Let's say if you have to pay $1,000, people may pay over taxes because they don't know much about that things. So we come up with an idea saying that, okay, how we can help it. So you have to know about the credits, what is available in the credit, right? So you have to know what credits is available to collect. And some people, they go to the friends and families, they know about it, but they don't know. Like sometimes what happens is they have a software there, they just do software and then they just get the results and then they give you the results. That's not how you can save money. So you have to know a little more about what credits available and where you can utilize, what is the tax planning there. So there are a lot of things is involved. So that's where we specialize. So we meet people individually and we find out the things and then see what are the credits available for them. For example, let's say we meet somebody and then say, how is your grandfather? They say that, okay, they're not really well, they're sitting at home. So if they are sitting at home, we realize, okay, if they're sitting home, who's taking care of the grandfather? So they say, okay, we switch ourselves and then somebody is at home and they're taking care. So there is a credit available for that. So you can claim the disability tax credit for that. You can get transferred to yourself, whoever is paying that. There are some other credits, the caregiver amount credit. If there's a kid is available and then it's sometime autism or anything, that you can claim disability credit. So there are so many credits available to use it. So all these things are very important to know. So another thing is the why we are specialized is we have a firm and then we have using a really latest technology and then we're using protecting the information very well. So like you wanted to do taxes today, let's say somewhere in the door, corner store, somebody is sitting there and then you may be paying $20 to pay them. They will be available this year, maybe next year, but they're not available after that. So what happened with your information? All your SIN number and then your address and your personal information, sometimes your IDs and everything is sitting there. So they may be gone actually. So you have to rely on the people who are reliable. Like they will be with you forever. Like whenever you're available, there will be people available for you. So that's where you just have to be with the trusted company. So where we try to protect all your information and try to be within our company, and then we have a privacy policy to share with you and stuff like that. These are very important things to know. So these, and also, I mean, you can do the taxes online as well. We have a sector portal. We will send you the information. You can sign electronically as well as you can pay electronically. Your job is done. So if you meet first time with us, then we would be able to do the taxes electronically even if you're not available to do it. So there are a lot of advantages there, and then so we will encourage people to get any questions. If you have anything, then you always will reach out to us, and then we will be able to more than happy to help you. And also, it's not like the old school. We do the business kind of the taxes. Let's say if you have something business taxes, corporate taxes. We do a proper bookkeeping, and people are having difficulties on serving the document, keep up the documents, and we have trained everybody to do the bookkeeping in such a way that you keep the document. You don't have to look after document after you're done with the taxes, because every document is you can serve electronically with either QuickBook or any other softwares. You would be able to do it. So there are a lot of technology. We always try to improve and adapt new technology to deal with these corporate taxes and other stuff. So a really great